Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Today we're looking at an ABUS 8345 padlock today. This is one that's come across the bench. We're making up for a client. The actual padlock itself is going to be set to a master key system, a security key. So it comes less plug, which is convenient for us because there's less parts, less wastage. The profile of the key we're setting it to is a restricted IP7 restricted key system, which is made by DormaKabe. This will give the padlock extra benefits such as key control, so people can't get the keys cut, as well as more difficult to pick. Now we're going to be setting it to a number of different keys here, so it suits the system. The padlock is one that a lot of people use, so we need to work out our bidding chart. To do this, we start from the bottom pins and we work our way up, and we need to identify all the particular keys and make sure all the depths are achievable within that padlock. So to do this, we use bottom pins and we use master pins, and we do need to do a calculation to allow all of those particular cuts to work in that particular lock. So this is just a quick example. Sometimes it can be quite complex when you have a large system. This particular one here, we're only looking at about 5 or 6 keys, so it's not too complex. You'll probably see 3 to 4 lines of code, and that is all we need to be able to set that padlock up to a number of different keys. When this is done, we simply put the lock back together. We can test it with all the different keys that are available, and then once it's complete and tested, we simply send it out to our client. One of the reasons we're using Marina Padlock is over a standard brass padlock is the materials the padlock is made with are a little bit more superior. We've got a stainless shackle, we've got more stainless steel parts, so in a corrosion high area such as by the water, anywhere like that, it's going to stand up for a little bit longer than what a standard brass padlock would. And because it's going out in the weather, although we're not by the sea, it's well worth having anyway because it's a little bit stronger, and they put that time in to make it stronger, suitable for those conditions. The cost is not much more compared to a normal brass padlock, so if you had the option, you go with the Marina one because it does have extra protection. As far as the different configurations this padlock can have, when you see the padlock, we can actually put longer shackles on it. You can actually have the padlock with 2 padlocks on either side with a particular type of shackle. There's also another type of collar that holds a chain onto the padlock, so you could have like a chain with the padlock hanging off and the padlock can't be removed from the chain. There's also key retain, where you put the key in and you turn the padlock, you unlock it, and until you close the shackle, the key retains in the cylinder. On standard configuration, we don't use that little part, and allows you to put the key in, unlock it, take a key out and lock the padlock when you want. That little Z piece you might be able to see on the bench down there, that's the key retain part. This padlock's very well known for that particular function. That is an option. We also can do restricted key systems, and one of the reasons we like this padlock so much is because we can do a variety of different types of restricted key systems. At the moment we're just simply using what they call a 570 plug, which is an oval cylinder type of plug, but we can also use PD cylinders, so we can put multi-lock, abloy, different types of restricted key systems in this one padlock. So it's very universal in that regard. Different shackles, different collars, weatherproof covers, all these good little things. If you are interested in a padlock like this, you can go to our website drlock.com.au, just click on store, go to padlocks, it's in there. If you did want a particular type of padlock made up, whether it be 10 of these keyed alike, 100 of them, or with different keys, restricted keys, you name it, even engraved, just email us and we can work it out for you. And once again, thanks for watching.